Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Helldivers 2. Whenever you launch the game, you got the error. The code execution cannot proceed because MSVCR110.DLL was not found. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to download the missing DLL file. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to scroll down. Depending on what type of bit you have, you just need to download it guys. In my case I have 64 bit. Select the download option and download it. After getting download done, you just need to select show in folder. Right click on the zip file and extract it. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the DLL file and copy it guys. And after copying it, you just need to go to local disk C and Windows folder and search for system32. Double click on the folder. In here you just need to right click on it and paste it guys. Select replace the file in the destination and select continue. And after pasting the file, the next step you need to open the directory of the Helldivers 2 guys, which is in the C drive and program files x86 folder and Steam folder and Steam apps folder, common folder. In here you can able to see the folder named as Helldivers 2. You just need to open the Helldivers 2 folder and you just need to find the bin folder inside it guys. You just need to open it and paste right over here. Right click on it and paste it. After pasting the DLL file, you just need to close it off here. Close it off here and you just need to restart your Steam and launch the Helldivers 2 and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to select the download option. Select checkmark file name and select download. After getting download done, you just need to select show in folder. And now you just need to install the downloaded file, and after getting installed done, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. This will help you to install Visual C++ redistributable runtime all in one. You just need to select the download option over here. Select any of these servers and it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to select show in folder. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all. Select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to right click on the install all bat file and select run as administrator and run it guys. This will install all the latest Microsoft Visual C++ for you. And after installing all these files, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.